So today we will be going with understanding of condition. First of all, conditional statement. Okay, conditional statements. So in case of Python, we have if else. Okay, if else as conditional statement. Then we will understand about iterative statements. Okay. So iterative basically means kind of looping. Okay, iteration. So for looping we have for and while. Okay. Do while is not part of Python. It comes in Java only. It's not part of Python. So in case of conditional statement also, like in flowchart, if you have seen kind of a diamond shape, you know, and there are like two cases, either yes or no. So that can be like achieved with the help of if else. So how to do that? That we will understand. So let me create a simple Python file and we will say it as um, day 6, okay, and then conditional, okay, so conditional statement. Sure. Now we'll go with if else. Okay. So first of all we'll go with only if. Okay. So say for example age is equal to 24, okay, and if I say if age is greater than 18, okay, then colon. So I have to terminate with a colon. Okay. So if age is greater than 18, enter. Now your statement should start with a space or gap over here. You cannot start your statement from here, this portion. You have to give this space and then you have to write the logic. So I'll say print person is eligible to vote. That's it. So if this condition is true, then execute this statement or whatever logic you want to execute, just write those logics as part of this block. Okay, I'm just writing line, but you have to write the logic. Okay, so it should be starting from here only. It should start from this what you say tabbing order. Okay, you cannot, if you are starting from here, say for example over here, okay, print. So this is out of if else. Okay. Anyways, it's going to print after Prince person is eligible to vote, but this is out of if block. Okay, out of if block. So print if I'm starting from here, it won't be printed. Say for example, if I make this now, if I remove this tab, okay, then this is not part of your if. If this condition is true, then this is not going to get printed out. Okay, you have to give a space. Okay, so this is important. Sure. Let's run this code. So person is eligible to vote. Clear up till this part? Then comes if else. So what if this is not true? If what if this condition is not true? Then you can say else, okay, else and colon, and then print, okay, small print, and you can say person is not eligible to vote. So I'll make it 14. Save it and so person is not eligible to vote. So if this particular condition is true, then this should get executed, else this part should get executed. So it's a very straightforward, simple if else statement. In Java also it is the same way. Only thing is we write it in curly braces. Nothing else. Okay, and you can write the condition in brackets also. You can have multiple conditions also. You can use and, okay, the way we used logical operators, the way you can use it over here as well. Okay, if you want to give some space, that is also perfectly fine. Okay, why it's giving me, okay, there is some green line that would be formatting issue. Okay, if I remove that, So this is perfectly fine. This is a condition, okay, and if this condition is true, then this should execute, else this. Now, what if you have different conditions to evaluate? One by one, if you want to evaluate conditions, like if this condition is not true, then you want to go and evaluate another condition. Then you can go with if, elif, okay, elif. So if and elif, okay. So elif is like else if. In case of Java, else if, okay. So I'd say marks equals, say for example, 60 marks, okay. And I'd say if, okay, marks is greater than, equals, or let's say less than, yeah, greater than equal to 40, 40, 40, okay. Greater than equal to 40 and marks is less than 50, okay. Then print pass, okay, pass class, something like that. So I have given a range, as in if marks is greater than 40, any 40, 41, 42, something like that, and less than 50, that means up till 49. So starting from 40 up till 49. So if marks is in between this range, then print pass class. But then marks can be in any range. It can be in 50 to 50, 59. It could be in 60 to 69, and so on. So in that case, we will go with elif. You don't have to write else if. You have to write elif. Elif, and then again we can go for a. And whenever you are writing if, na, there has to be a condition. Condition cannot come with else. You cannot write a condition with else. But if there is a if, then you have to write a condition. Okay. So let's go with another condition. So I'll say greater than 50 and less than 60. Okay. And then print, okay, second class. Over here also second pass class, something like this. Okay. Again elif, elif, and then we'll copy paste and we'll say 60 to 70. So whatever with the different ranges, you can go and so print, and you can say first class, right, this way. And lastly, if you want to say else, then you can say else, okay. There can be a fail also. हम लोग इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. Okay, what we can do is elif marks is greater than 70. Okay, so marks is greater than 70. Print distinction. Okay. Else, what should it print? Okay. Something like this. यहाँ पे भी colon आएगा. Okay, so you have to end with a colon. So these are multi-level if-else condition. If you are evaluating this particular condition, then it should print this portion. Okay, elif, okay, go and evaluate this condition. If it is true, then it will print this. If it is not true, it will go. So we are evaluating one by one each and every condition. And lastly, we are printing this portion. Clear? If else if. This is like multi-level, you are checking for different conditions. Over here only one condition is being evaluated. If this condition is true, then this, else this. So very simple to use if else. Okay. So if I give you one exercise, will you try based on if else? Okay. So what you have to do, you have to take a number. Okay, you can initialize a number and initialize the number and evaluate. Okay, evaluate if number is odd or even. Okay, very simple. I'll stop the recording.